Bar Production представляет.
Let's see my face.
What do you want to know, my queen?
Who is the most beautiful woman in the world?
You are the queen.
Look! Our house! There lives lights. Where is my dinner? Where is my drink? Where is my bed? Oh my God! Who's this? She's beautiful. It's Snow White.
Mirror, who is the most beautiful woman in the world?
Snow White is the most beautiful woman in the world. She lives in the forest. She lives with 7 dwarfs at a lighthouse. She is happy.
I will go into the forest. I must find her. I must kill her.
Hello, beautiful girl. Look at this lovely red apple. Eat it.
It looks so delicious.
Oh, ah, 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 ah. Oh, hi ho! 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 Hi ho!
My beautiful Snow White, will you marry me?
Yes, I will.